Hi, Blake here with another review. This is for this corded vacuum. I got a little overzealous when I saw a nice upright vacuum and didn't realize it was corded, but obviously that's on me. So overall it's pretty nice. So you have your different modes. Then you also have, it's pretty, the thing I really kind of respect about it is how multifunctional a lot of the attachments are. So this is the handle, which can also become the wand. So if you want to use it as the wand, there's the tube that hooks up. So you just change it to, sorry, it's kind of hard to do with just one hand, but you can hook it up to here, and then you have your wand. So I'm going to suck up some of this other miscellaneous stuff. Like that, that's like cool with it. So as you can see, it's got some decent power to it. Has a nice little adjustable cord wrap, so you can just quick release it. I'm going to go ahead and connect that back. Now, here's the thing that's interesting. What I was trying to show is that it does still suck, but when this is attached to the wand, just not nearly as much. So when you're not using the wand, I definitely recommend connecting it back to the main body, because that'll also be what powers the wheels, the brush to spin. So I don't know if you noticed, it wasn't before. So yeah, pretty nice. And then it has a couple of attachments, and here's another example of what I was talking about, the multi-functionality. So as you can see, you have basically two hoses in here, or two different attachments that are two separate pieces. So you can hook it up like this to the end of the hose, so you have this head, or press this little button on the side to release this portion, flip it around, and now you have your brush head. And then obviously you can also use it with just this. So I think that was a really cool space-saving idea on their part. It works pretty well, gets pretty good suction. I just, I wish it was cordless, but at the same time, you sacrifice some power with cordless. So I like it. I'd recommend it.